guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti and you're watching Our Candy. In today's video, I'll be talking about final thesis presentation sets and how to arrange them. So this is the part 11 of the series Thesis in Architecture. So we have total of part 12 and this is the second last part of the series. So let's get started without any delay. Are made in the paper also known as the sheets. The presentation sheet ranges from A1 to A3. A1 sizes are the bigger than A2 and A3, while the presentations are preferable in A1 sizes. And if you want to do it in the PowerPoint, you can also do in the PowerPoint presentation for your clients or for the college project. It depends on your college requirement. While you go in the working environment, it's mostly done in the PowerPoint and present it to the client. So let's start with the things that you can consider while doing a presentation set. So there are different points I have listed which are important while doing your presentation set. The first point is add important points and don't add too much of text. High quality visuals you have to add. The second point is add clear picture of whatever you are explaining, that is elevation, sections or floor plans. The third point is explain with your paper models like 3D models, or you can also use your software models that you have created from your laptop or software. Fourth point is add your scales and headings properly. Don't forget to add north direction. The fifth point is more detailing you have, the more you showcase the detailings, the more your presentation goes very nicely. The sixth point is talk about your ideology, concept, theme that you have planned during your project and try to explain them properly and how you fulfill those requirements. The seventh point is clear and concise communication. The eighth point is effective storytelling. You have to tell a story how your presentation was created, or you can explain with your story. That would look your presentation more interactive and more interesting. The ninth point is interact with the jury. Interact with your audiences, your jury, and try to communicate with them while doing your presentation. The 10th point is don't add everything in your single sheet. Let the jury understand through your sheets. The 11th point is answer the questions of your jury effectively with example. Try to answer them. If you don't have an answer to your jury's question, you can try and you can say that I have no idea about it. I'll try to configure about this. So the 12th point is take inspiration from different sites. Never copy and paste. Apply in your presentation. Excessive research you can do. Collect more type of new things. Don't be afraid to try new things, new topics, new techniques. You might fail, but will obviously learn something from that. So these are the points that I have listed you have to consider while doing your presentation sets. So this much for today's video. I have listed many more points that you can consider while doing your presentation set. I hope your presentation set goes very nicely. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will love to answer those questions. And if you have any suggestions regarding the videos, you can write down that also below in the comment. I'll try to make videos on that. Thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. This is me Jyoti Ketan signing off for the day. Bye bye.